Are you starting a new job and would like to make a good first impression? You've come to the right place because in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make a good first impression at your new job. Watch this video to the end to learn my 5 best tips for making a good impression. Hi, I'm Jo Randolph and I'm the CEO of JoRandolph.com, where I share with women how to become experts and leaders in the field they care about most. On this channel, I share with you how to get the job you want so your career is something you love and supports the life you want. If you want to watch videos like this, come and join me and subscribe. I post new videos every single week. Okay, so the fact that you're watching this video tells me that you have a new job. I just want to say congratulations for your new job, and you want to make sure that when you start your new job, you make a good impression. Well, don't worry, I've got your back, because in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips for making the best impression at your new job. First tip is to do what makes you feel super confident the night before and the morning of your new job. When you start your new job, it's very easy to be nervous because you don't really know anyone. You don't know what to expect, you don't know how people are going to treat you, you don't know what people there are like, and it's really nerve-wracking. Well, the best thing to do so that you walk in with your, confidence and your energy is to actually feel energetic and confident yourself. So do whatever makes you feel confident and energetic. Now, for me, I love exercising. I love listening to music. I love listening to motivational talks. Basically, do whatever it is that makes you feel pumped up and ready to meet new people. And the second tip is to craft an elevator pitch. I often talk about having an elevator pitch when you're looking for a new job because an elevator pitch really helps you to summarize in 1 or 2 sentences who you are, what you do, and why someone should hire you. But another time that an elevator pitch can actually be really helpful is when you are meeting new people at your company. And the reason being is that when people are meeting you, they have no idea what you do, why they should talk to you, whether they should work with you, and know what to say when people ask me, so tell me a little bit about you, who are you? Take some time to think about how you can best engage your new colleagues and your new friends. I've actually got a framework with you that I'm going to share with you right now. So let's say if I was to work in IT, so I'm just using IT as an example because it's just straightforward. So if I was to work in IT and I was to say, hi everyone, I'm Joy and I've just joined the IT team. Like, okay, hi Joy. But if I was to say, for example, hi, I'm Joy and I recently joined the IT team and I'll be working with Rebecca and Thomas, and my job is to really solve any problems you have with your computer. So if you have any problems with your computer whatsoever, I'm your girl. Then if I say that, then people will remember, oh, not only does she work in the IT team, but they'll also associate with you with the other people that they are already familiar with, because you've mentioned who you work with, so they'll know, okay, so you work with these people. And you'll also share with them the problems that you could help them to solve. So they'll know that whenever they have a problem with a computer, for example, they'll think of you. And the third tip is to prepare some questions, some really juicy questions to ask your colleagues. There's nothing more awkward than awkward silence when you don't really know what to say and they don't really know what to say. And I'm definitely guilty of this. Even though I create YouTube videos on a weekly basis, I am actually really shy. And I love meeting people, but I'm rarely ever the first person to say hi or to even strike a conversation. Normally someone has to come up to me, and when they talk to me, then I'm very bubbly and talkative, but up until then I'm very shy. So if you're shy, trust me, I want to say that I totally get it. And that is why it's really helpful to actually have some questions that you prepared in advance to ask people. Simple basic questions you could ask is, so where do you live? What do you do? Where are you from? And that helps you to understand and learn a little bit more about the person and their personality. And another thing you could ask is, what's your favorite thing about working at this company? The fourth tip is to just do the basics. So making sure that you turn up on time, maybe just a little bit early so that you can get settled in your seat. being kind to everyone, talking to everyone, listening to everyone, and really just being your best self on the day. So for example, if you interviewed for the role and you got dressed up and you put on more makeup than you normally do and you did your hair in ways that you don't normally do, it's really important that in your first day of work that how you dress is consistent with how you were in your interview. It can be a little bit awkward if you, let's say for example, you put on lots of makeup or you really dress up for your interview, but on your first day you're much more scruffy. And then the final tip is to ask your manager and your colleagues how you can best help them. Often your manager and your colleagues will have goals that they'll need to hit, and they'll have targets, and there will be things that they need to do, and it's always really helpful whenever a new member joins the team and really understands the team dynamics, really understands the team challenges, and really understands the manager's challenges, and is willing to do what they can to help their manager or their team succeed. And one of the easiest ways to figure this out is to simply chat to them. So have a coffee, have a private moment with them, learn more about their role, learn more about what they're doing, and learn more about their challenges, and ask how you can help them. Because the sooner you offer your help to them, the sooner they will feel that you are of someone that is of service, you are someone that is on their team, and they will feel so grateful and so lucky to have you. And that is it. That is how you make a good first impression at your new job. And I just want to again say congratulations on your new job, and I wish you the best of luck. You are gonna be amazing, you are gonna do amazing, and that's it. Anyways, I would love to know what other videos you'd like me to create videos on. If you have any questions, any topics you'd like me to cover, then leave a comment in the box below. Anyways, I shall speak to you again soon, and I'll see you again next week. All right, bye. I'm just trying to think if there are like any first days that were really awkward. Nah.